back to Noah. But Noah found grace in the eyes of the Lord. These are the generations of Noah. Noah was a just man and perfect in his generations, and Noah walked with God. And Noah begat 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. The earth was also corrupt before God, and the earth was full of violence, filled with violence. Any of you see the new NRA ad? You might want to look that up. I would say that's the most shocking manifestation of political polarization in the United States that I've yet seen. Most of it I've seen on the left, right? What shocked me mostly has been on the left. But the new NRA ad, that's a whole new thing. So it's this attractive woman doing a voiceover. She kind of looks like Demi Moore, although she's kind of tough looking. I guess Demi Moore could look tough now and then. And she has contempt on her face. And that's a dangerous thing. And in the background, there's nothing but images of Antifa riots and Berkeley riots and fire and protest. And she's describing that as a conspiracy, essentially, a conspiracy that involves the intellectual elite, including Hollywood, which is named by name. The accusation is that there's a cabal of corrupt intellectuals, let's say, who are bringing the country to its knees, and that it's time to get your goddamn guns. And so look up the ad and see what you think. Because there's lots of people who would be perfectly happy if that was the direction in which we were headed. And one of the things that I'm hoping is that we might be able to talk our way through it. But we're in a situation where every act of individual idiocy will push us 1 iota closer to the brink. And that'll make the 15% of the population or 30% of the population who would love to see everything degenerate into chaos perfectly happy, because that's their aim.
They use their media to assassinate real news. They use their schools to teach children that their president is another Hitler. They use their movie stars and singers and comedy shows and award shows to repeat their narrative over and over again. And then they use their ex-president to endorse the resistance, all to make them march, make them protest, make them scream racism and sexism and xenophobia and homophobia, to smash windows, burn cars, shut down interstates and airports, bully and terrorize the law-abiding, until the only option left is for the police to do their jobs and stop the madness. And when that happens, they'll use it as an excuse for their outrage. The only way we stop this, the only way we save our country and our freedom, is to fight this violence of lies with the clenched fist of truth. I'm the National Rifle Association of America, and I'm freedom's safest place.